Hi, this is Vince Preston with Metro Mobile RV Repair, and I'm here today to tell you what a RV stair lift is. It's an aftermarket product that a manufacturer sells to customers who have handicap problems to help them get up inside their motorhome or RV. This is a manual, comes with the unit, and you fold it in and out, and some people aren't able to access that. So the stair lift is an electric unit that attaches to your travel trailer and folds up on the inside, so when somebody who has a problem with walking or climbing or a handicap problem, they can push a button and the stair lift will come out and they can sit in it and it will take them up into their home or motorhome or travel trailer. My suggestion would be if somebody was interested in buying an aftermarket product like this, you would probably want a certified tech to install it. And the reason why I say that is because it attaches to the wall and the subframe of the travel trailer or motorhome, and if it's not done properly and installed properly with the right bracing, then you're going to have pulls and tugs on your frame and your walls, which is going to lead to potential problems with your roof, walls leaning out, etc., stuff like that.